Okay, hello, I'm Jim Adamski with CDL Wisconsin Roth Sugar Bush, and today we are going through a demonstration on how to tap a maple tree. Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to select the proper equipment to tap the tree. For starters, we are going to be using a CDL tapping hammer, which is an 8-ounce hammer, so that we do not overdrive the tap into the tree and crack the wood. The hammer is kind of unique. It has a sharp back for bark removal or moss removal, so that we can keep our tap hole clean. So to start the process, basically we're going to go up to the tree, we're going to scrape the bark down, and basically we're going to remove any loose bark or any debris off the tree. For the next step of the process, we are going to use a CDL tapping bit, which has a very unique flute design to give us a very clean cut tap hole with a minimum amount of sawdust left in the tap hole. So we're going to go up, we're going to drill into the tree. We want to use both hands basically on the drill. Start the drill drilling, drill in and out in one motion. We don't want to go into the tap hole multiple times. If we do have any dirt or debris, tree bark, moss, whatever the case may be, left inside of our tap hole, never blow into the tap hole with your breath. We do not want to blow any bacteria basically into the tap hole. The best thing we can use is a piece of very stiff wire, and we can go into the tap hole, and basically we can remove any loose material out of the tap hole with a piece of wire, keeping our tap hole clean. The next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to insert a tap. For this process, we are going to use a CDL clear tap. We are going to insert it into the tap hole. Once again, we are going to use the CDL tapping hammer. We're going to start tapping with the hammer. We want to use wrist strength. We don't want to use arm strength. We want to use our wrist basically to tap the tap into the tree. We tap into the tree until you hear that change in pitch. Okay, once we hear that change in pitch, we know that the tap is seated inside of the tree, and we do not want to hit the tap anymore because we'll have an opportunity to crack the sapwood above or below the tap hole. That's kind of the basics on tree tapping. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.rothsugarbush.com.